What are the benefits of having a conviction set aside? Attorney Laura Killham explains that. The main benefit to having a conviction set aside is that your civil rights will be restored. If you get an absolute discharge from probation, or it has been at least 2 years since your release from prison, these rights include the right to vote, the right to hold public office, the right to sit on a jury, and the right to possess firearms. However, the restoration of the right to possess firearms requires a separate application than the other rights and depends on individual circumstances. You can ask the court to set aside the conviction and get your civil rights restored if you have been completely discharged from probation, or if you have been released from the Department of Corrections for more than 2 years. Contact attorney Laura Killham for a free consultation in Peoria, Arizona today. While many defense attorneys have prosecutorial experience, Laura's in-depth knowledge and experience allows her to obtain the best results possible.